Paint protection films, aka Clearbras, are often confused with vinyl wraps, but they have entirely different purposes. Clearbras protect while vinyl wraps change the look, but with SatinGuard, we have something that does both exceptionally well. Here's a brand new S wrapped in SatinGuard completely. The car was the factory black, but as you can see, now has transformed into a tritone black, giving you some satin, matte, and translucent finish depending on how the light hits it and the angle you view it. It's really cool because it adds a lot of depth to the color, unlike a traditional vinyl film, and at the same time, you can expect the same protection you get from a Clearbra. So no matter what color your current car is, SatinGuard will turn into a tritone version of it. Whether it's red, blue, white, or green, you'll get a really unique finish you've never seen before. Best part is that if your paint has metallic flakes already, all that will still come through so that fancy paint you paid extra for didn't go to waste. One of the best things about a satin color is that it brings out all the body lines on a car, and you see a lot of that on the S. The rear fenders, the front bumpers, the doors, everything is accented. Besides the wrap, we also tinted every window with PhotoSync, so not only does it emphasize the whole stealthy look, but now the interior is super comfortable even in the worst summer days. And we finished up the project with ceramic coat, which makes the film bead water, so it's a lot easier to clean and maintain. Plus, it also gives a nice glow to the satin sheen. If you're in the Houston area and you want to learn more about these products, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.